How to transfer Google Play Store money to Fampay. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see if we can transfer Google Play Store money to Fampay or not. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Google Play Store in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you land in this page, navigate to top right corner and tap on your profile icon. A menu box will pop up in your interface with bunch of menus. From there, tap on the last option, that is Help and Feedback. You will land in the Help page. Here, tap on the search bar that says Search Help. And in the search bar, type in Transfer Money or Transfer Balance. Once you search for it, you will land in the search results. And here it says, get started with Google Play, transfer Play balance from your child's account, how to add to and check your Google Play balance, learn about refunds on Google Play, or add cash to your Google Play balance. Since there is no any option regarding Fampay, unfortunately, we won't be able to transfer Google Play Store money to Fampay. Google Play balance can be refunded or transferred to any other account, so we won't be able to transfer Google Play Store money to Fampay. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.